I wanted to talk about, refire this up here. Get that up and running. There it goes. Okay, for the CircuitPython Parsec today, I wanted to now talk about doing object collision. So we have our little memory display. We've got our I2C Nintendo controller. We have movement for our spaceship hero. We have ominously plodding along enemy spacecraft up there. And we've got pressing the A button to fire a projectile. Last week the enemy was impervious to it. It actually just kind of went straight through it. So what I wanted to add this week is collision detection so that our projectile will know when it has hit the enemy and essentially end the life of that projectile so that we can spawn a new one. So here you can see if I fire a projectile and don't hit the ship, it just flies through to the end and then disappears. Now if we hit the ship, it's a tough ship. It is impervious. It's not going to blow up. That's to come. But you can see both on screen that projectile disappears and we can fire another one immediately. And over in the REPL it says hit when we hit. So if I fire and go off screen, the projectile is removed. If I fire and hit the enemy is hit and then it's removed. So the key to this, what I've added is a collision detection right here. You can see it in my editor. When a projectile is fired, so if there's not one already on screen, we move the projectile up the screen, and then we check to see essentially the left-right boundary and the bottom edge boundary of this rectangle that is the enemy. So if the projectile X plus its radius, so that not just the center but even the left edge of that circle is greater than or equal to the enemy X and projectile minus the radius and is less than enemy X plus the enemy width, then we're going to register a hit. So you can see here we say print hit, screen group remove, and then the projectile is none. Then if that doesn't happen, we still check to see if we have made it past the bottom of the screen. Same sort of thing, check the radius. If the lower edge of it is past the 0 point on the screen, then we remove it. So this gives us, as you can see here, let me see, is that in focus? Yeah, it's in pretty good focus. This gives us a projectile that will hit the screen until we just clear it, and there we go. We fire up off the edge. So there, I'm hitting the corner of it, I'm missing, I'm hitting the corner of it. And so that is how we can do projectile collision detection with the enemy craft inside of CircuitPython in our Space Invaders knockoff. And that is your CircuitPython Parsec.